Hello everyone, my name is Anton. I'm 6 years old. I'm from Pikachu class. I'm from Pikachu class, and now I like to represent my friends before listening to pop so I'm making the most. We are so thankful to our teachers for being us and giving us a lot of hope. After leaving here, we will remember the time when our dreams to be you are like our second home. We promise that we will study hard and never forget our teachers. When we go to our country school, changing teachers and you always be happy and happy alone. Changing and goodbye.
Xin quý vị, chị có đây một lần nữa phải không ạ? Rất xuất sắc, xin cảm ơn hai con rất nhiều.
Con xuống ngồi nha, không bớ nó nha.
Cảm ơn hai con với tập thể của